In this problem, we're going to compute unit prices to find the better buy. We're going to do this through equivalent fractions or equivalent rates, proportional rates. So the first one I have is the first store is going to be $11.88. That's money up in the numerator, to 2.38 pounds in the denominator. Well, if I want to find out what the unit rate is, then I know that it has to be per 1 pound. Then my unknown is the price per 1 pound. I can do this through my standard cross multiplication method for finding equivalent fractions or equivalent rates, and cross multiply. Some people may recognize this as a butterfly method, but it's really just cross multiplication is the mathematics behind this. 1188 times 1 is 1188, and that's just found by 1188 times 1. And then x times 238 here is 238x. Solve for x, divide both sides by 238. I'll get my x by itself, so it's just 1x. Because I'm equal, I want to do this equally to both sides. When I do the math on this, I find that the answer is 4.991, and since it is in money, I want to round to the nearest cent, or 4.99 is the cost per pound. I will do the same thing with the second store, or the second bag, and that one will be $26.47, money in the numerator, to 5.08 pounds in the denominator, and then that should be equivalent to some unknown amount of price to 1 pound of weight. And again, notice that my money is in the numerator, my pounds are in the denominator. When you set up equivalent fractions, you want to make sure that you keep them in the same order, numerator to denominator. All right, we will cross again. And 26.47 times 1 is 26.47, and that's equal to x times 5.08, or 5.08x. Solve for x by isolating it. We do the same to both sides. 5.08 divided by 5.08 is 1, or just 1x, which is what I wanted. And using my calculator, I find that the answer is 5.210. Because we are rounding to the nearest cent still, because we're in money, it's 5.21. And that is our dollars per pound. So if the 2.38 pound bag is $4.99 per pound, and the 5.08 pound bag is $5.21 per pound, I can clearly see that I pay less per pound from the 2.38 pound bag. I'll check that mark and submit my answer.